All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right. Simple to do, a little bit different than what you had in the past. You have little ears on the bottom to the groove here and here. Sits on the ridge here and here. Let's see if you can see that, Ryan, but you see here the ears are going over the ridge, both sides. Top here is a groove. Connector slides into the groove. You see I go in and then lift up. If this is loose, you need to adjust the corner. Lift up. To apply more pressure. It's compression fit, so you need the pressure to get tight. Again, on the ridge, push down into the groove. Key is, can you see that groove, Rand?
Mm-hmm.
That groove, this piece of the metal slides into that groove. Lift up. You can see, not coming out.